It's surprisingly very nice out for November. It's like 58 degrees out today. So my silly goofy self didn't think to wear the gloves, man. But then I started riding and it's definitely a little chilly. Yeet. But dude, they have been blessing us this month with weather. Wow, weather. What is weather? We got the weather. Oh, that woody, we hit the woody, bro. Jesus. But yeah, no, they've been hooking us up with nice weather this month. Holy shit, I am fucking autistic. I can't talk, can't do nothing. I'm so overwhelmed with myself. I think I have like this perfectionist complex that needs to just like go away because nobody's fucking perfect. You know, I think that's my problem. I got this perfectionist complex that I need to get rid of. But how to get rid of it, that's my struggle. I don't know. I try to like let the ego go and all that bullshit, but I still just find myself back in feeling that I need to do things with perfection and with precision. But you know, like, it's okay to fail and make mistakes and not do things perfectly, especially when I'm wearing a goddamn helmet that's crushing my mouth together and I can barely talk. So I wouldn't say I can barely talk, but it definitely impacts my talking. It hurts my jaw. I think my helmet's a little too small. I got a small, but like the medium was slightly too big. I'm like in a weird spot. That's how I've always been. I'm like in the middle of a small and a medium and every fucking thing that I wear, and or a medium and a large depending on like certain clothes. But it's like, fuck me, dude. I hate that shit. I hate it. I don't want to get a medium and then it be too loose and then it flies off if I do get into an accident. But then it's like, do I want to just keep wearing this one? I thought it would kind of blow itself out after a year of use, and I mean, it's definitely gotten a little bit looser, but as soon as I put my my thing that warms my head up on, it doesn't fit as well anymore because it has another, like, I don't know, what is that, centimeters? I think centimeters is smaller than millimeters, or millimeters smaller. I don't fucking know. But it's super thin. It's not even that thick, but the edges on it like push into my cheek, and I feel it pushing into my cheek, and then it also causes me to not be able to fully open my mouth right, and I think that's part of the big problem. Did we go around the lake today? I don't know. No, maybe on the way back. Bad shift. So slow, dude. Like, when you put it in a bike perspective, it's slow, but when you put it in a vehicle perspective, like, it's semi-fast. Not really, if you really think about it, because like your average car can probably 0 to 60 faster than this little fucker. But considering you have nothing around you, I mean, it feels fast. Doesn't feel like it accelerates fast, but like the speed itself feels fast. Go, please. I'm not trying to take my feet off. Need gas, baby. Hopefully we don't run out. That would be so unfortunate. It'd be like the icing to the cake today. Damn, right now it'd be 3 o'clock, but it's 2. To ride, baby. Feels good to ride. I've ran out of things to say. I don't really know what to say or what I want to talk about. My mind has gone blank. I've ranted and raved enough. Life ain't that bad. It's just frustrating sometimes. Today is one of them frustrating days. It's been a frustrating month and a half. With this beautiful weather, you can't get mad, too mad. I mean, almost the end of November and it's fucking damn near 60 degrees out. Ripping around on the bike. I don't know. I've just reached a point again where I just keep hoping that something bad happens to me. Like, I just want to die, and I hate that. I hate that shit so much. All the stress and the shit from life and the world is just getting to me. Focusing on shit too much. I gotta be more stoic in my approach. I go through phases where I'm very stoic and nothing bothers me, and then I just go through phases where I turn into a complete fucking bitch, like female tendencies, and it's just not, I don't know, it's not healthy. I think I'm just fucking, I don't know. I gotta be better about my money management. I think that's part of the problem too. Foot off. That's like the big issue right now. I've been just spending money on stupid shit, and I feel not good about it, you know? Sometimes spending money makes me feel good, but lately I've just been spending money and I don't feel good about it. And it's like all good shit, it's all progressing my life, and it's like what I need to be doing or where I need to be at, but it just feels wrong. It just feels wrong. So, I've been stressed out, man. Enough therapy time. Let's hit the goddamn throttle. Like, it's so slow. It has no fucking torque. It takes so long to go fast. What up, brother? The wind is pushing so hard on my head. At least on the way home we get to ride with the wind, because Jesus. Let's get some gas. Dude, somebody's blowing loud. Oh, I need a fucking smoke so badly. Maybe that's the other problem. I'm just fucking a crack addict. Oh, yo, 414. That's cheap. I've been paying $4.70. I'm about to come over here. What the fuck, yo? All right, we're only gonna get like a half gal. We don't really need that much gas, especially because it's about to sit for winter, and I don't want to have to. I didn't think about the fact that I was showing my card, so I'm probably gonna have to cut those clips there. But you know, we got a half gallon. We'll probably burn the fuel off, at least most of the fuel off. I don't know if it's like good to have it sit all winter without fuel in it, but it's also not good to have the fuel sit all winter and then potentially get bad, and then you got bad gas in your shit, and it's just like, yeah, it's not optimal. All right, half gallon, half a tank. Love to see it. Let's hit it. Shouldn't hit the brakes like that. Something is fucked up. I don't know if it's my bike or one of the cars I was around. I don't smell it anymore. It must have been that truck back there. Smelled like somebody's car was just killing brakes. Yeah, I don't think it's my bike. Okay. Hopefully. I mean, fuck, dude. smell it. I think we're good to go, man. I was so nervous there for a second. I really thought my brakes or something were seized up because it was smelling a little rank. Or I burned the clutch up a little bit, which also doesn't seem to make sense. I don't think I did. It didn't really smell like clutch. It smelled more like brake pads than anything. Yo, is that the only entrance in and then it's fucking blocked off? It is the only entrance in and it's fucking blocked off. That's so stupid, dude. What the fuck is this bullshit? Turn then, bitch. You got room? I'm annoyed. Kinda wanna just get fucking pummeled on my bike. Just let me get fucking smashed. Jesus Christ. They seem fine. They don't smell. They're not burning, so we'll call it a day. I think it's good. Fuck it, man. And once again, they don't have a single flanged piece that I need. Very unfortunate. So that'll probably do it for the video. I might make a second video here just so we can keep rolling content. Kind of cheesy, but it is what it is. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you. Not having one of them good days today. I'm having one of them fucking stressful, everything's wrong. All my shit's wrong. I got a cat piss hand. I feel self-conscious, like everybody can smell me. It's frustrating. So I will see y'all in the next video. Maybe we will be able to fucking, I don't know, find the bolt.